Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials: eligibility, consistent hardware, and a clear baseline. Start now by registering and verifying your account. Don't delay. Once done, run a 2-week log of 10 sessions to build accurate win percent and opponent patterns, because you need data to prioritize training. Make sure to optimize your kit. Aim for under 50 ms input latency and a stable 5+ Mbps connection, so practice transfers to competitive performance. This creates a reliable foundation for you now shift into disciplined execution, divide work into mechanics, decision-making, and endurance, and assign weekly blocks accordingly. Practice with purpose. Run 5 focused reps on a single scenario, then immediately play 3 full matches to force skill transfer. Once finished, log K/D, objectives per match, streaks, and response times in MS. This tells you where gains actually happen. Make sure to vary opponents and settings, because adapting under diverse pressure builds the competitive habits that win trophies. You enter the final stretch by simulating tournament conditions. Run 3 peak sessions across 2 days with official rules and time limits. This reduces surprises. Once done, tighten your pre-match ritual: 20 to 30 minutes warm-up, a concise mental checklist, hydration, and light nutrition to ensure consistency. If something breaks, diagnose quickly. Check network first, then mindset, then mechanics. Apply the targeted fix and retest. Make sure to rest after runs, because recovery solidifies gains and prevents collapses under pressure.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.